Good evening, friends. Welcome to InfinityK channel. Let's start with our session with the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. And let's start with our session. Today we have given the 3 calls in the group. You can check the group description in the link. It's completely 1:1. This call is given 1:1 target hit, and this is also 1:1. We get the hit, and another target we gave this, but actually it didn't break our target. I mean, entry is not triggered over here. After that, we have been closed the trading session. So after that, we won't trade after 2:30. So 2 o'clock, this call will be closed, and after that, no entry is being given to that. So let's discuss about the tomorrow analysis. You can see the previous day analysis, how we have been predicted. Same scenario, it had been happened in the market. Tomorrow had USA Fed meeting details. Some news has to be flow in the market. So we have to be careful carrying positions and taking more quantity. We need to what we call it as we need to maintain the risk management and all. Should not carry more positions for the long. So let's wait for the good thing, and let's start with our session first. Nifty, as we yesterday we have been discussed, this is the I can draw and show you. This is the, I told that if it is in the range bound and break either upside or downside, we can take it right. It is exactly the same scenario. It has been the range bound and not able to break upper side, and it has been break the downside, and most of them has traded and booked the profits. Morning itself it has been negative price action, so most of the people it will be sideways, and if it is break either this side, it has been closed in the negative section. And tomorrow opening is very crucial, and this is the zone. Until unless this zone break either any movements, we can update that. Until unless broke this zone, we won't take any trade. And this center is there, right? This is the center. This distance we call it as zone. Until unless break this, we won't take a trade. And anyhow we'll discuss about the same thing. Okay, in case tomorrow there will be a huge gap up. Above this gap up, it has been opened almost 15,540 points. Then it has to be volatile and break, we can take a trade. And if it is, this is the, we can keep SL over here. This is the gap up scenario. In case if it is flat open, and if break, it has to break the this zone, and then we 15,605.60 is important zone. Break and make a price action, we can take a trade. If it is flat open and break this level, we can take a trade. This is our immediate target, and 16,380 is our second immediate target, because 16,380 is the important level. So this is the flat opening scenario. In case if it is open gap down, it will be volatile. So either there will be a trend, it is trend line breakout, call it as flag, and there will be already target has been achieved. You can see that negative flag, got it, and we also call it as M pattern. This is the scenario happened today. So we expecting downside itself. Just it has been already target. Most of the people have keep SL and waiting for the same thing, and some people have keep SL over here. So flat opening, we had a good opportunity of moving upside. If it is gap down, volatile to upper side, so chances are high. So we have to trade carefully in the bank nifty, and it is slowly coming to downwards. And if you draw this, and if you call it is falling wedge, as per these two scenarios has been matching. So confluence trading is important. So we have to wait for tomorrow. Until unless makes any price action on either upper side or downside, we won't take any trade. And we'll go for the bank nifty now. Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, yesterday, today our calls has been given. It has morning itself. Whenever it breaks this trend line, we have assumed that we can take a sell side. So we have discussed in the pre-market session. As we discussed, it has been open gap down and came downside. Based on the inside candle, we have been taken a trade, and 1:1 book the profit. It almost 1:2 has been achieved, but 1:3 it is received. But I don't have enough confidence on that, so I booked the 1:1.5. 1:1.5 have been booked the thing, and almost there is a support because I have been booked here. After that, small retrace, and again it came downside. After that, you can see here there is a W pattern formation. W pattern formation again. based on the information we have given call here, and 1:1, 1:1.5 the profit. Again made a flag, and flag breakout has been not able to break upper side, it break downside and retrace. See, you can see this come downside and again take it as a retrace and given the downside trend. This is how Bank Nifty works. We have to discuss the three scenarios. This is the 36,500 is now a very important resistance zone. Until unless makes 36,500 above, we won't take any trade, and this trend line is still carrying, and there is a trend line here also. So chances are very high to coming downside because more resistances in the upper side. So if it is breaks here, next target is 36,200, and next second target is 36,050, and next target is 35,900. These are the three targets for the Bank Nifty. So we have to draw a trend line here, and this is a scenario. Until unless if it breaks this and sustain price action, we can take it, and negative price action we can take it. Tomorrow opening is very important. That session will be conducted in the morning. Do at the morning, and please do like my channel if you want to know about the still more basics about the stock market and all. We are conducting the 0 to Hero series. You can go to the 0 to Hero series and you can understand the concepts easily, and the playlist will be available in the card section in the end cards and starting of the cards. You can see the I button. You can click on that and watch the 0 to Hero playlist, so you can understand the price action under. Thank you for watching. Do share and join the telegram link in the description for the live updates. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching and giving your time to me, and I am analyzing. This is Infinity AK signing off. Bye.